Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new Roblox video. I'm playing the world Obby. And sorry if I sound a little strange, I'm a little sick right now. I'm only gonna use my free skips for the ones I'm really struggling on. Whoops, I died. Okay. I can tell this will be hard. Whoops. But she just jumped in the water. She has a floating one. Okay. I'm just following her lead. She seems to be knowing where she's going. Alright, guess the path. Alright, let's see. Okay. I'm almost there. Just gotta keep jumping. I had a little sore throat, so that's why I sound like this. Oh shoot! Oh my god. He just jumped in the water. He died. Alright, let's do this. Okay, I got the checkpoint. Oh god! Oh my goodness gracious. There's a person on 23. I don't know who it is though. I just died. Okay. There's that person still in the lobby. I wonder how many stages there are. Okay. Plains. Caves. Okay. So I'm right behind Kitty Cat. Now I've got to wait for this. Maybe next time this thing happens, I should probably just skip the stage and move on. Oh no! You know what? I'm skipping. Oh no, I died. Okay, I'm here. Well, that's a first. I'm right in front of Kitty Cat this time. So me and Kitty Cat are doing this together. But not anymore. Wait, I just died. No. Kitty Cat just died. Oh no! I'm skipping it. I just saw a guy die. I have no more free skips, so it was fun while it lasted. But now I've really got to do this. Oh no! I really needed to jump. No. Okay, come on. Okay, I did it. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, why do I keep dying there? How did I just die? I didn't touch it. Oops, I touched it. How did I die? My singing will sound really bad if I sing right now. I'm thinking about a song to sing. But I've decided I'm gonna change my mind because I'm probably gonna sound really bad. Because I'm sick right now. Oh, Kitty Cat left. Okay. I really wonder if my account should be renamed Not Gamer Jaxie Gamer. I had it like that for a little bit, and then I decided to change it back to Not Gamer Jack Powell. But maybe I should change it back to Not Gamer Jaxie Gamer. Ooh. No. No. I'd love to see. Why do I keep dying? Okay. Parkour. What is this? Oh, I think I'm going to the jungle. Yep, I'm going to the jungle. Nope, I just died. This literally reminds me of the first obstacle. This reminds me of the first place of the state of this obby. It really does. Also, guys, you're gonna have a great Flower and Marigold season finale. The series finale is next season. And Lonnie and Flower and Anthony. Oh, I almost just revealed a new spinoff. I'll reveal that in another video. But you guys just heard by accident when I accidentally said it that I said Anthony, so it has to involve Marigold's little brother Anthony. But that's not all. You'll find out when the spinoff comes, which I don't know when, but it'll come probably after the Flower and Marigold ends. That's when Lonnie and Flower was gonna end, but that's after Flower and Marigold was gonna end. We were gonna announce. That's when Lonnie and Flower were gonna start. The show's original name was Flower and Lonnie, but since we don't want it to be too much like Flower and Marigold, I decided to change it. Oh gosh. Oh my goodness. I like that. But it actually gives you an emotion to know that it's going the wrong way. I like that. Okay. Another one. Oh shoot, I died. Oh, there's a mountain stage coming up. I'm not able to film Flower and Marigold today just because how is he not? Oh, he just died right now. Ah! He's AFK, I'm pretty sure. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you gotta walk around the wall. Okay. Whoops. Okay, I'm doing amazing right now. I'm on 67. I've been recording for like 14 minutes. Okay, so my recording's literally about to end in like a minute, so soon I'm gonna have to end it off. How did I keep dying? Like, how? Okay, guys, my recording's like literally gonna end soon. How? How did I just die?